Hey, my guy, what's up now? Oh boy, I did. What happened to your eye? Oh boy, the matter tire me, oh. The matter tire me. Nah, day for yesterday now. I dey waka for this other junction side. That place me mama shukuwa dey sell rice now. That street, wetin be the street name sef? Na that side I dey waka. As I dey pass that her front, I just see some church people make dey do the parade stuff. They share flyer. Now I collect flyer, I look the flyer, they see Devil Must Die Ministry. That's yeah. Now I just shake am out now. Now this morning, now I go to church. As I reach there, pastor dey preach. There's all this some kind praise and worship. As the pastor dey preach now, that spirit hold am. Pastor start to speak in tongues. Even some members say spirit hold them all for ground. Some ushers don't carry them go outside. Pastor is speak in tongues. Now him point me. Oh. Now I come outside. Pastor hold my head. They speak in tongues. Me I dey say amen, amen, amen. Before I know that beam, pastor blow my eye. Oh. I see myself for ground. Congregation shout amen. Even myself I surprised. What happen? On my mind now, maybe na mistake. Now I stand up. Pastor hold my head again. They speak in tongues. They speak in tongues. What I hear again like beam. For the same eye. I see myself for ground. Congregation shout amen. Now I dig ground. I no stand up again. No. My eye don almost close. The pastor still dey speak in tongues. They speak in tongues. I still go back small. As I stand up, I clean my body. I still come near me again. Hold my head. One do the same thing. Now I give her uppercut. Church silent. I mean at 12. Everything happen be that. Oh. Guy, you have luck. Oh. This life no balance. Oh.